Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about a new theme for Windows 11 that was launched officially by Microsoft. This theme was launched a few weeks ago, but I saw that a lot of you didn't know about it because you were asking me what wallpapers or what theme I'm using in some of my videos. And in this video I'm going to show you how to get that. It is really simple. First of all, you're going to have the article from the Microsoft website and the article down below where you can find more info about this theme or this Pantone color that came to Windows 11, and of course you can see more info if you're heading to these links that Microsoft is showing you. But if you're not interested in that, let me show you how to install it and how to customize it a bit. Of course, to install it, you're either gonna have a link for the Microsoft Store in the article down below, or you can go directly in the Microsoft Store and type in here Pantone in the search bar, click on Pantone Color of the Year 2022, and then click on Install. The installation will be finished in a few seconds, and then we're gonna have this new theme. We can click on Open, and the Settings app from Windows 11 will be opened up, and as you can see, we have here the new theme, Pantone Color of the Year 2022 with 4 images. We click on it, and as you can see, we have this new color scheme and wallpapers for Windows 11, and of course the dark mode. What we can do is to go to color, and the accent color, we can either use it on manual because this is the default on this theme, or we can use it on automatic. And also, if you want to have the full experience of this theme, you can enable show accent color on start and taskbar, and show accent color on title bars and Windows borders. As I've said, you have 4 images. Right now the image changed, and you can set here on the background, change picture every, and you can set the time delay in between the image switching, and you can also shuffle the picture order if you want. Basically, this is the new theme provided by Microsoft and the theme that you've asked me about a whole bunch in the comments. This is how to install it really easily. As I've said, just go in the article down below and click on that link to be redirected to the Microsoft Store, or search in the Microsoft Store directly for Pantone, install it, and you will have it in your settings. Of course, make sure to set up this theme as you want it, and I'm sure that you'll have a good experience with it. I'm using it since it was launched, and I think that it is a really nice theme. I like these minimalistic wallpapers that keep the Windows 11 experience, as you can see with these wallpapers, and I think that is really nice. I'm hoping you enjoyed this quick video for today. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like down below, and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.